Welcome! If you've ever needed a break from constant notifications without leaving anyone on read, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to mute chat on Instagram for exactly 8 hours, using the latest features as of June 2025. Whether you need to focus on work, study, or just want some peace and quiet, this quick guide will help you manage your notifications with ease. Let's get started. First, open your Instagram app. Make sure you're logged in and on the home screen. At the top right corner, you'll see the paper airplane icon. That's your direct messages, or inbox. Tap on it to view all your conversations. Now, scroll through your chats and find the one you want to mute. Maybe it's a busy group chat or a friend who loves to send memes at all hours. Once you've found the chat, press and hold or long press on that conversation. This will bring up a menu with several options. From the menu, tap on Mute Messages. Instagram will then give you a few options for how long you want to mute notifications from this chat. Select the 8-hour option. This means you won't receive any message notifications from this chat for the next 8 hours, but you can still open the chat and read messages whenever you want. After you've selected 8 hours, you'll notice a small mute icon next to the chat, confirming that notifications are silenced. Don't worry, muting a chat is completely private. The other person or group won't know that you've muted them, so you can take your break without any awkwardness. And that's it. You've successfully muted a chat on Instagram for 8 hours. If you ever want to unmute the chat before the time is up, just long press on the conversation again and tap Unmute Messages. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips on managing your social media and staying in control of your notifications. See you in the next video.